Thermo King, the world leader in transport temperature control, is proud to announce the new Athenia series, a complete product line of temperature control systems for buses and coaches 6 to 15 meters in length. In addition to its aerodynamic design, the Athenia series has the flexibility to conform to bus roofs with radii of 5 to 18 meters. This unique feature simplifies planning for users and installation for installers. Athenia series, ready for full 100% fresh air equipment, allows you to adjust either 0% or 100% fresh air setting. The highest passengers' comfort than ever before. Design in the heart of the Euro base of the experiences from the whole world. The Athenia series is backed by more than 60 years of design, engineering and manufacturing experience in mobile temperature control. Prepared with multiple options for controllers, compressors and refrigerants, the Athenia series provides the total climate control solution for users who can now customize their application to passenger capacity, vehicle size and climatic conditions. Athenia can be installed in either direction because of the equal front and rear cover. The Athenia series undergoes several tests during development to ensure the highest quality and performance. Many refrigeration tests, vibration and twists test to simulate bus lifetime and the maximum operation conditions. Crash tests to be able to adjust design base of the bus accident. Electromagnetic certification as standard test for the Athenia series.